In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create AI generated emails for Mailchimp. So start by logging into your account. Then next in the left panel, click on campaigns. Then click on the email you would like to edit. So here, click on edit design to open up the email builder. Then next in your layout, click on a text block to edit it. If you don't have an existing text box in your design, in the left panel, scroll to the text section and drag and drop this to your layout design. Now in a new tab, head over to a third-party AI tool like ChatGPT and here type in your prompt describing the email you want to create. So we're just gonna press enter and here just copy the generated text by pressing the copy button. Or you can also manually copy this. And here in the text box, we're just gonna paste the content inside. And here you can just customize so that some inappropriate characters will be removed. Or you can also adjust alignment for the message. Also, make sure that you add images, buttons, and branding to match your campaign design. Using third party AI tools helps you write email campaigns faster while still designing and sending them through Mailchimp. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye.